What's going on, y'all? Campbell's Code here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram thumbnail the right way. Stick around. So to get started, I'm going to show you some bad examples of Instagram thumbnails, okay? Like this one right here, it's zoomed in and cut off, you can't see. This one right here, same thing. Another one right there. So they're zoomed in, they're cut off, you have no idea what the video is about, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to remedy that. According to Hootsuite, 2023 social media image sizes for all networks cheat sheet. Okay, so according to them, if you go to Instagram image sizes and you go to thumbnails, it says the display size is 161 by 161 pixels, recommended upload size 1080 pixels wide. This is only half correct. First off, what the recommended upload size is, that is the image size of what you are going to upload when you are changing the thumbnail of your video on Instagram. Okay, so this image they recommend should be 1080 pixels wide, also 1080 pixels height. Okay, that's only half correct. And they say that the display size, once you upload it, the display size of this image is going to be 161 by 161 pixels. Okay, that does not seem to be the case, and I'm going to show you why, but we'll get to that in a minute. First, let's grab an image for our thumbnail. Okay, come here to Google, I type in Instagram thumbnail, I go to, well, here, I'll just show you what I did. Let's just try this again. Instagram thumbnail, tools, usage, right, creative commons license, and now it's not there. Oh, there it is, right here. Okay. You right click this and you can go to save image as and locate wherever on your computer you want to save it and name it whatever you want. Okay, but I've already done that. Now, Hootsuite was correct in saying that the image size of the thumbnail that you are going to upload should be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Okay, they're correct in that. I'll give them that. All right. So now we're in Photoshop, and what I'm calling this is the base background. Okay, this is going to be your base background of your thumbnail. So you come up here to File, click New, it'll bring up this window, click Custom, and you can name this whatever you want. Instagram thumbnail, and then we want the width to be 1080, height to be 1080 in pixels. Orientation, it doesn't really matter because it's going to be a perfect square. The rest of these settings are fine. Click create, and now we have our base background canvas for our thumbnail. Now remember when Hootsuite said that the display area is 161 by 161 pixels. Okay, now if that were the case, then that would mean that we upload this 1080 by 1080 thumbnail and it only displays an area of 161 by 161 pixels right in the center. Okay, it'll center the image and the display area is 161 pixels this way and 161 pixels this way, and this way, right? So a perfect square in the center, that would be your display area. However, that is not the case. So I played around with it a little bit and I figured out the ideal dimensions. Okay, so what you want to do is come over here to the shape tool and rectangle tool. I'm going to change the color to white and we can just draw a square. Okay, Now you come up here to your properties, and we want the width to be 600 pixels. We have to unlink. Oh no, it was already unlinked, sorry. 600 by 600. Okay, so this has you a nice perfect square. Come up here to the selection tool and move this into the center. Okay, this is the true display area of an Instagram thumbnail. Also, I am going to leave a link to this file. I have it's a PNG file that I exported. It's basically just your template for your Instagram thumbnail, so that way you can download it if you don't feel like creating your own. Okay, now this is the image that we downloaded. All right, so what we want to do is crop this. We want the ratio to be 1:1 or a square. Okay, and we can move this to get however we want it cropped. Okay, hit the check mark, and now we can hit Control A, which will select all, right click, or no, I'm sorry, edit, copy, switch back to the thumbnail template, hit Control V, switch to your selection tool, click the image you just copied over, hit Control T, and this is the transform tool. Now you want to hold down the shift button while you drag these corners so it maintains aspect ratio. So you're covering up the entire white display area. You can edit this, add text to it, other graphics, whatever you want. Just make sure any graphics you add are in this display area. Okay, here is my finished thumbnail. On desktop or PC browsers, Instagram is not going to let you modify the thumbnail. You have to do it on your mobile device in the mobile app. Once you have your finished thumbnail, you can come up here to File, Export, quick export as PNG, save it as whatever you want, wherever you want. You have to transfer that file to your phone however you want to do it. USB cable, you can email it to yourself. I usually just do Bluetooth. All right, once you do that, you want to come to your phone. This is an emulator for my phone. Go to the Instagram app, upload your video by clicking the plus sign here, and you can choose from your gallery. And once it is uploaded, you will see your gallery. So this is my gallery. This is the video I just uploaded. This is the one I want to change the thumbnail on. Click this, come up here to the three dots and go to edit, then click the thumbnail and add from your device. And this is the one that I want. Click done and check mark, and we go back to my feed, and boom, there you go. You can see it right there. That's what it looks like on mobile. So it's got a nice image. You can see all the text. If you come up to my Instagram here, boom, there you go. And that, my friends, is how you create an Instagram thumbnail the right way. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, if there was anything in the video that you did not understand, please comment, reach out to me. I'll help you any way I can. All right, guys, take care. Until next time, Campbell's Code out.
Get cookie with it.